Okay, we're back with a new game. We're back with another one of Dave Microwave's games, and um. Oh no, it's not me. I'm gonna have to use the arrow keys, I guess. Last one used. Yes, is there? There's one. Oh, not a sprint meter, so I. Hopefully, this isn't as bad as the last two games. Why does it feel so ominous? Right, I mean, like, why are the crickets so loud? Is it? Oh, that was just a random jump scare. Okay, just. Scooby Doo, where are you? Ooh. I saw the Gaming with Salmon play this once. I don't remember where Scooby Doo is, and I think I might have fallen into a death trap. Hmm. Wow. Wow. Anyway, shouldn't a deep diver technically be near a lake? Like, the ghost of James Diver, I guess. Well, what's a good name for a diver? um, Jimmy, Dave. What was that? I feel like I should hide. Is that getting closer? It is. It is getting closer. It is getting closer. It's specifically getting closer. Let's start running. Better scatter. I hate those things. Random stupid jump scares. Am I running towards the monster? Am I? I really can't tell at this point. Come back to me later and I will tell you. Uh, I mean, maybe don't. Oh, I better start running. I don't hear any Scooby Doo chasing noises, so I may be good. Ugh, but the monster's over there. Where's that pesky button? Hmm. Hopefully it's near somewhere. Oh, is that the monster? Is that the guy in the costume? Coming to murder me? Hey, but probably. I mean, this is like a Microwave Dave game, so I am most likely going to die. If the monster. Maybe let's go around that thing. Zoinks. Pretty sure there's nothing in this giant log thingy. Pretty sure. I don't know. I don't remember the gaming salmon playing this game. I hate this. I genuinely hate this. What do you think this guy does as his day job? Does he just moan? Sounds weird, actually. Without context. Like, what kind of job allows you just to be running around in a forest, chasing a bunch of teenagers? What job allows that, actually? Is he trying to steal some random diamonds buried in this park or something? That's just a lake. Uh, is the button randomized? But probably not, but the diver's over there. I should probably get going. I think he's coming over here, actually. There's multiple. Did they duplicate? Oh, wait. Yep, they duplicated. I may need to restart this. With all my goofing around, they've breeded, and now there's thousands of them. The deep diver should go. Oh, that's one of them. Do I get? Oh, there's no jump scare. There's still like thousands of them. I hope there isn't. Oh, I'm seeing a bunch of them. Oh, they're all. Ugh. Mm. Is there just normally a bunch of them or no? Oh, they come out from the water here. That's that's no. I got it. I got it. I'm finding Scooby Doo. Main problem is that the deep divers are breathing. Right, actually, I think I might know where the button is. Like, maybe. I don't think the numbers reset after I die, but this building is probably where the button is. Assuming. Makes sense to me. I mean, I would. I'm not running, am I? Get away, stupid divers. They're everywhere. Can't go anywhere without seeing a single diver. I need to get out of here. My fingers are cramping. Sheesh. Buttons. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, they're everywhere.
Scooby Doo! Scooby Doo! Where are you?
I may reset this. Come on, come on. And where's that button? I thought for sure the button was here. Okay. Ugh, well, guess the button's not here. Guess I'm gonna have to look around now. More. Map. Oh wow, I'm so scared. Sorry, just not scary anymore because there's so many of them. I've been doing this for so long. It was here the entire time. How do you interact with stuff? Is this flashlight? Who cares? Let's crouch it.
Scooby Doo! Scooby Doo! Where are you?
Excuse me for a minute. How do you actually interact with this? What? No, it doesn't say. It does not say how to interact with stuff. Do I just run into the light?
Scooby Doo! Scooby Doo! Where are you?
Yep, I got it, I got it. We're gonna go around this giant green square and we'll be there. Pretty sure the green man spawns at the lake. Fun's still there. No, it disappeared. Oh, that's nice. Is there anything under here? Probably not. That'd be annoying to do. So, there's only one other place it could be. Two other places. Does he just follow you forever? Maybe he does, maybe he doesn't. Who really knows? Probably the creator, people who've played this, but it's my first time playing this game, so I don't know. Oh, he's in there. Found Scooby now. Oh, found Scooby. Time to escape. Come on, where's the van? Where's the van? Van, van, van. There somewhere. Just gotta find the road. Come on, van, 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 van. Yes, finally, freedom. Yeah. Just a little. You escaped. I guess that's it. Okay. No, I'm not keeping this game. I've never actually played this, so yeah. And no, wait, this was not my first horror game that was not FNAF related. My first non-FNAF horror game was I forgot what it was. Well, anyway, it's over now. Goodbye, Woomba.